At ngayon naman po, kasama po natin ang ating napakagwapong mga doktor, si Dr. Alvarado from Cebu, at syempre po ang ating isang mainstay ng Lamin 9, si Dr. Arlie Imperio.
Doctor, yung unang episode po natin ngayon is about dialysis, no? Yung kidney failure, no? So, bakit po ba nagdadialysis ang isang tao?
Ang function ng kidney ay linisin yung dugo natin. Yung dugo natin dumadaan sa kidney. Pinipilter niya yung mga basura at binabalik niya yung dugo sa circulation. Ngayon, pagka nag-fail po ang kidney, naiipon yung basura sa katawan at nagiging lason yun, kaya ang tao ay pwedeng mamatay. The dialysis machine takes place for that function. Yun po ang function ng dialysis.
Dr. Alvarado, why is it that people nagkakaroon ng kidney failure ho?
Sobra ka ng maalat o salt. Second, yung so much of protein or any product that is so much alcohol. Itong dialysis, para itong nagpipick up ng waste material galing na tubig sa kanal dahil sa kinain natin. Pagkain, preservatives, everything, yung additives na supposedly it's poisonous, sinama katulad ng mga embalmed foods like tocino, corned beef, they contains these preservatives. This goes to the kidney. During the process of filtration, yung mga waste na yan, sometimes hindi nare-recover. Nandoon siya nagstay.
So, doktor, sinasabi niyo po, masama ho yung mga pagkain na processed food.
So, Dr. Arlie, paano ba nakakatulong yung Lamin 9 sa dialysis?
Kung humihina na ang kidney, kailangan yung kidney ma-restore sa dating function. That means the kidney is failing, so the important aspect of repair now comes in. Kasi ang mga ingredients ng Lamin 9, three major function: build, maintain, repair. Nasa repair aspect na po tayo. Pag na-repair yung function ng kidney, therefore the kidney will be working better, the dialysis procedure will no longer be required.
So, sabi niyo po, Dr. Alvarado, yung protein is not good for the kidney. Pero ang Lamin 9 po is protein. So, ano po ang difference
It's
no
the good and the bad now. We are talking of the protein, processed protein.
Ayun.
It's the meat. This is the protein na galing sa itlog na albumin na hindi pa napuporma yung chicken, wala pa. Now, within the 9th day, yung protein, dalawa na protein at amino acids kasama.
Apo.
Preform na yan. The question is, itong klase ng protein, nagkukontribute ng repair.
Apo.
Yung isa, nagkukontribute ng damage.
Ayun.
Yung kinain mo eh.
Doctors, marami ho tayong mga tagapanood natin na may diabetes na talagang one of the main concerns is yung dialysis. Katulad ko na rin po, no? Sa mga diabetic. Takot na takot ho ako magkaroon ng kidney failure. Bakit ho prone ang diabetic sa kidney failure?
Una, yung diabetes, tumaas yung sugar level, di ba?
Oho.
Yung sugar level mataas, tadaan sa kidney. So, additional work sa kidney yun. Hanggang sa napagod sa kidney, bumigay. O, yun na. And then, dialysis. So, sugar is just one. Lalo na kung marami kang mga items na hindi masyadong kailangan ng body, kagaya ng mga artificial ingredients ng mga food preparation na binanggit ni Dr. Alvarado. Basta anything in excess, the body cleanses it through the kidney function. So that means, pagka sobra yung mga basura sa katawan, madaling mapagod ang kidney. At tumatanda tayo, tumatanda rin yung kidney. Mamaya bumigay, ayan na, dialysis ang solusyon.
Pag hindi kayo nag-dialysis, anong mangyayari sa pasyente? How long before he dies?
Pagka hindi po tayo nag-dialysis, you can be gone in a few days time. Matagal na yung 2 linggo.
Toxic
Kasi parang yung basura ng ihi mo, hindi na ilalabas. Pagka umabot sa brain yan, you will be comatose.
Oh my God.
Kaya kailangan alisin kagad yung mga basura na yan. Yung ganun kahalaga ang dialysis. So, ang mahalaga, masuportahan natin yung kidney na hindi siya tumanda kagad o humina. Doon papasok yung ingredients na nanggaling sa Lamin 9 to help build, maintain, repair the kidney.
Yun hong marami pong mga iniinom na gamot, lalo na pagka nagkakaedad na, no? Yung mga maintenance medicine.
Yun.
Pero mababasa po sa literature that it may damage your kidney, yung ganun po.
Every drug has its own effect and side effect.
Apo.
So, there is an indication and contraindication.
Apo.
Thanks to God who created this laminin molecule because it contains poly and oligopeptides that will help in the repair process and inhibition and the effect of oxidation. Actually, this product that comes to the body reacts with the oxygen in the blood. So there is an oxidation process. It releases two chemicals damaging to the organ, which is singlet oxygen and hydrogen peroxide.
Wow.
This can cause damage. So to eliminate oxidation, we need to have our own built-in antioxidants.
Tama.
And it can be supported by laminine.
Ang umiinom ng alcohol, nalilesen niya yung effect ng laminine.
Actually, pag nauna yung alcohol mo, dinagti ka ng laminine, talagang epekto niya nababawasan ng 45%. Kunti na lang.
Mawawala po yung lasing nyo?
Yung tinatawag nating guaranteed potency. In this level, there is what we call this guaranteed potency.
Opo.
This guaranteed potency is in accordance with the UN Alimentarius Commission. We are licensed as a food. This is food ingredient, but not the food you eat every day. Like the fresh eggs you eat.
Yes.
This is the extract. And this extract is not another food, but it is a biogenic, functional, accessory nutrient.
What happens if you take the laminine before
Before.
Drinking.
yes.
It will prevent the metabolism of alcohol into acid. Because the acid point ng alcohol na magkakos ng what we call this, drunkenness. Pag i-prevent yung breakdown ng acid from alcohol, hindi ka na-drunk. At the same time, yung absorption ng alcohol sa katawan mo, i-listen. Mag-iihi ka, lalo na pag uminom ka ng beer, 10 minutes before ka mag-inom ng beer, uminom ka ng laminine, dalawang laminine, yung beer kaagad, i-discharge, kasama na yung sugar, hindi papasok ng katawan.
Galing! So, Doctor, kung mababawasan po yung effect ng pagkalasing, hindi po natin pwedeng i-advise uminom na sila dahil may laminine naman, di ba?
This is not an advice, but an advantage. Pumunta ka na isang party, pumunta ka na isang pista, have a laminine in your pocket.
Ayan, gusto
Not
ko
for
yan.
abuse purposes, but to enjoy.
Yun.
Very good.
Kaya yung mga lalaki dito, huwag kayong tawa ng tawa dyan.
Going back to the kidney problem, no? How will I find out that there is something wrong with my kidney?
It's the creatinine content. Pag mag-increase yung creatinine na resulta ng laboratory, which means na yung creatinine is a chemical released by the kidney na nag-SOS siya, I can no longer function, help me. That's the battle cry of your kidney. Mag-release siya ng chemical na creatinine.
Katulad yan,
Okay.
yung ating BTR ngayon, yung creatinine level niya was 10, no? Umangkat ng 10. After taking laminine, Susan, bumaba ng 6 hanggang 2 na lang siya ngayon.
Wow.
Yun ang ginawa ng laminine for him.
Before even the lab test, paano ko po malalaman na meron po akong sakit sa kidney?
O anong symptoms?
Anong symptoms po?
Isa, lumbar pain. Either of the sides because you have two kidneys now, left or right. At saka rito, magkaroon ka ng numbness, yung flow ng ihi mo,
Masakit.
masakit, which means nga maybe you have a kidney stone or any trouble inside, then go to your urologist or any physician available, request for a laboratory analysis.
Dr. Arlie, what is your advice dun sa ating televiewers?
Una, yung kidney is one of the vital organs of the body. It is as important as the heart. Kaya lang yung heart madrama, minsan nauuna. Ang long-term kidney, pag marami tayong gamot iniinom, ibig sabihin bibigay ang kidney later on. Pagka tayo tumatanda, maski na healthy tayo, tumatanda rin ang kidney. Kaya nga ang goal is first, get proper treatment and then delay the aging process. Kasi in truth, di ba, we get older. But in truth, all the organs of the body is aging at different rates. Baka mauna tumanda ang kidney kasi of all the organs in the body, maski isang organ lang, your lifespan depends upon the life of the weakest organ. Basta bumigay ni isang organ sa body, you will die. Whether it's kidney, liver, heart, or brain. So, ang importante is the total holistic support for the body. And that's where I strongly feel excited about na ingredients of laminine will support the entire body through the adaptogenic homeostatic function.
Doctor, can you add to that, please?
Yes, actually, this is the function of laminin molecule. It carries with it the template for repairs. Once it enters the pituitary will tell him, don't worry, I will control the system. I will red alert all the organs and all the stem cells in the body to start the repair system.
Dr. Arlie, dun sa mga hindi pa nanonood sa atin, first time nila, no? We're talking about laminine. Could you please explain it simply in a manner in which our televiewers can understand?
Ang laminine, meron siyang ingredient galing sa 9-day-old fertilized chicken egg. Ibig sabihin ng 9-day-old, bago ma-create yung chicken, merong power doon sa ingredient na yon. Bago ma-create even the first cell of the chicken egg, kinuha yung ingredient, yun yung proto-embryonic stage extract. Now, that power is converted and given to your body. It will strengthen the cells of the body that are already present. Ngayon, pagpunta niya sa brain, lalo sa pituitary gland, the pituitary gland is the master gland of the body. Gagalaw lahat ang hormones ng body at gagalaw lahat ang systems and cells of the body. And that is you need to maintain and repair the body and therefore delay the aging process. At kung may sakit po tayo, may laban tayo maski anong sakit kung malakas ang body. Kaya nga I feel it can be combined with the proper medicine given to any medical condition. Kung may sakit, magpa-doktor, and then dagdagan ng laminine as functional food support. Kung wala naman sakit, yan po ay delaying the aging process and therefore improve the quality of life of everyone.
I would like to share na tayo po ang second country open na available ang Laminine. Actually, it is from the United States. Kaya napakaswerte po nating mga Pilipino dahil pinagkaloob po talaga ng Panginoon na madala dito ang produktong to dahil napakarami po talaga natutulungan. And fast-acting, Doctor.
Yes.
Bakit po fast-acting?
Because of the nanotechnology.
Ayun.
Nanotechnology is the smallest molecule, is the measure is 1 billionth of a meter. So it's so small. So the sensors in the stomach, which can distract any type of medicine or supplement, if it is micronized, it reacts with the acid, decompose, so you can only get 15% of the potency. Actually, ito hindi nakikita sa
Tama
sensor
po.
sa ilalim. Goes directly, hindi dadaan ng digestion but absorption and transport.
Tama.
Grabe, no?
Total body absorption.